phone.
Give me back that phone. What's that?
Huh?
Haha, let's play tag.
Boys, hang on! Back up, back up! Don't worry, I got it to stop.
Did you? Check your phone.
Huh?
Oh. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh no! It's all gone!
Quick, turn on the power!
Hey, who turned out the lights? How can I escape now? I'm getting hungry too.
Don't worry, Uncle. We'll get your stuff back. We need a plan. Yeah. We gotta bait the hacker out. How about that? This for sure has to work.
I see a light. Look who's back.
Ha! We got you.
Oh no! Not! How are you gonna catch me if you can't even touch me?
Get out here! Get out!
Nope.
He's right.
Ooh, nice car. Let's play. Hey, where are you going? Get back here.
Uncle, help us!
Balance 0.
Transform. So hungry.
It's slowing down. Yeah.
I'm too hungry for this. So hungry.
Quick, turn on the TV.
Back here again?
We need another plan. I know. Follow me. Ooh, pizza.
I smell pizza. Pizza!
Who wants pizza?
Pizza time! Thanks for the pizza!
It didn't work. I have a plan. Give me your phone. Time for the phone. Oh, yeah!
I'm full. Now where did those boys go? A light! I'm back!
We got him now.
Wait, something's different.
You can't escape now.
We'll see. I'll go this way. Oh! Can't go that way. I'll try this way. Oh!
At least we sent out items.
Okay, I'll return them. And here's your iPad.
Thank you. Now time out for 30 minutes.
Aww.
Uncle, we got your stuff back.
Thank you. Excuse me. Coming through. I'm cleaning up.